Alright guys, we're going to take a look at your stove. And if you ever spilled stuff, you can actually clean it up. A lot of people don't know that. You can lift this up and it's very easy. All you need is a screwdriver. There's 2 screws. One here and there's another one over here. You just take those out. Just those 2. So here we go. And then it's good to take this out too, but it's not necessary. You don't need to take these out. Just make sure your gas is off, just in case. As long as it's the off position, you're good to go. So you guys can even take this out. It's just plastic. And we're not breaking anything. This is nothing to do. We can just lift this up and here you go. So just lift it up, put it to the side, and here's your mess. So you guys can definitely clean all this up just fine, because there's always going to be dirt here or you spilled something. So it's no big deal if you do spill something, because it is easy to clean up. That's the good thing about these kitchens. They're made for that. They're made for you to clean it up easily and have no hassle doing so.